This is David from swimmingpoollearning.com. In this video I'm going to show you the Smonet Model SR5, and this is a solar powered surface cleaner. And included is the user manual. There's also a retrieval hook. You can connect this to your telescoping pool pole. And included is this charger. And this cleaner can be charged in two ways. You can charge it with the solar panels on top. As it's sitting in the pool, the sun will hit the solar panels and charge the internal battery. You can also plug it in, and it takes about 2.5 hours to fully charge it if it is fully discharged. So I really like the fact that there are two different ways to charge this cleaner. You can use it all through the winter if you need to, if there's not a lot of sun, or you can leave it out in the pool in the summer. It'll charge fully with the solar panels. It has a bit of a frog-like look to me. On the front are the ultrasonic radar sensors. This will detect any kind of objects or the edge of the pool and turn away from it. Then the front and back are these four rollers, and this will spin the cleaner away from the sides of the pool or any obstacle it runs into. And here's the power button on back. To turn on the cleaner, you simply push the power button. Then you can see the lights indicating that it's on normal mode and that it's charging with the solar panels. If you want to put it in sports mode, which is a 2x speed mode, go ahead and hit the power button again quickly. Now you can see that it's in sports mode. Hit it again to get it back into normal mode. And to turn it off, you just simply hold the button down for about 2 seconds. And here's the bottom of the cleaner, and you can see the two propellers here. You can also see the charging port. If you were to charge it, you want to make sure you put this cap back on so that the cleaner maintains its water seal. And here's the battery and all of the electronic components of the cleaner. And here's the debris tray. You simply pull it forward and you can slide it out. And this debris tray is rated to 400 microns, although it does look like it's a much finer material. And I find it easier to slide it in when you have it upside down like this. You can see the tracks here. Overall, the design of the cleaner seems really well made. It's made out of really durable plastic, and I really like the solar panels on top. They feel like they're a really high quality solar panel. And the two motors on back seem really well made. And this is also rated for a saltwater pool, so this should have no problem in a saltwater generator pool. And if you live in an area where you get a lot of surface debris, my area in particular, all year round there's going to be surface debris. Right now we're in fire season, and you can see that the pool has some ash in it, as well as leaf debris. And this is pretty typical of my area in Southern California. And I've tested many of these surface solar cleaners, and the Smonet seems to be working really well. You can see here, I sped this clip up. This was about 1 hour, almost 1 hour exactly, of the cleaner working in the pool. And you can see how it does a great job getting full coverage of the pool from one side to the other. You notice that it doesn't get caught anywhere in the pool, and it's really smooth as far as the pattern. It picks up the debris with no problem. I think if you get this cleaner, you'll be happy with how clean the surface of the pool gets with it running in there. And you can see from this clip, it does a great job again of picking up the particle debris as well as the larger leaf debris that's on the surface. Let me show you the debris that I picked up here. And you can see all the debris that I picked up here. You can see it does a great job with the fine particle debris as well. Let's look at the Smonet Solar Power Surface Cleaner. And again, if you have a lot of surface debris in your area and you're looking for an alternative or a great method to pick it up besides going out there and skimming the pool each day, this would be a great choice for a solar power surface cleaner for you. Pool Service Pro, open a Leslie's wholesale account today and receive wholesale pricing on products you use every day. Leslie's Pool Supply offers convenient locations that are open 7 days a week. Another great benefit of opening a Leslie's wholesale account is Leslie's referral program. Get referred to a customer looking for weekly pool service. Save time and money and grow your pool service route and become a Leslie's Pro.